Hi and welcome. Today we are looking at the wireless charging mousepad, 15 watts, which should allow you fast wireless charging. And it looks like this, and it can be controlled with a tap. So you can control with the tap the RGB lighting. It looks like this. It's 31 centimeters by 81 centimeters. So let's have a look what we have inside. This will probably become my favorite charging mousepad. Okay, so you get a few extras as well. You have some instructions. So yeah, let's have a quick look. So it's made of this hard plastic. That's a USB-C. That's how you connect it to power. And not too sure what it says in there. Okay. So the only thing I've noticed already is that it's not. I would like it more wide. As you can see, it's quite narrow, but it is long enough. Although it's not that long. But I guess you can just put it on top of something else. It's made of this material that they were made of, which should be fine with water. They give you a palm rest for the mouse, which is quite nice to see. And in here you have you have a USB-C to USB-A. And I think you have another option in here, which that could be maybe a gift that they give you. And I'm pretty sure without this you can't really do fast wireless charging. This is one of those Samsung like wireless chargers, and it's 25 watts. And then you also have a USB-C to USB-C cable, so I'm probably gonna use this instead of that, because why not? Yeah, it looks exactly like a Samsung cable, but it's longer, which we like. So that goes there, and that will go in there. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we'll plug this in to here, and as you can see, it's already lighting up. So first of all, let's just try the touch, see if we can change the colors. Really nice. So I think you have the usual RGB lighting, yeah, the one that changes colors, the one that goes different kind of mixed colors. That's quite nice actually. Don't think I've seen this before. And then back to your stable colors. Okay, so let's check the wireless charging. So let me just take a phone, and I'll show you in just a second if it's doing fast wireless charging. So let's just put this phone in here. Might not work with Apple. I know it does. The problem is with Apple, you never really know. if they do wireless charging or not. Actually, I think there is a way to tell if it does it, but let me just remove this MagSafe case. Maybe it's affecting it. So let's try without. Yeah, now it's doing the same kind of type of wireless charging. I know when it's fast charging for Apple device, it comes with a circle, a blue circle, which I haven't really seen yet. But I do like this rubber area that will protect your phone. Well, it does work. And let's see what else we can charge. I also have some headphones in here. See if we can charge the Sony's. And yeah, I can see the light indicating that it's charging. Not sure if I have anything else that will do wireless charging around. Actually, I might have something. I have this Huawei watch. Let's see if it's charging. It should do. Yeah, as you can see, it's charging. Let's see if it shows that it's charging. Yeah, it's actually charging. Brilliant. So yeah, I'm gonna try, but unfortunately I'm recording with this phone. So I have a Samsung which I'm gonna try and see if it's doing fast wireless charging after this recording, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, thank you for watching.